Hi there, and welcome to the Freelancer to Remote Web Agency course. This course is in English, but if English isn't your first language, you should see an option somewhere on this video to change the language. YouTube has enabled auto dubbing on my channel recently, so you can follow along in your own language. Before we go any further, let me quickly tell you who this course is for and what you will actually learn. This course is for people who are already making money freelancing as solo freelancers, are web developers, though even if you are not, you can still apply the same principles to your niche. Have at least one long-term client and are spending at least 20 hours a week on client projects. If that doesn't describe you, I would recommend closing this video for now and working toward those criteria first. For example, if you are not earning from freelancing yet, check out my Upwork guide. It walks you through how to get started and how to land long-term clients. You will find everything there. But hey, if you still want to continue watching the course, I won't stop you. Feel free to stick around. Now, if you do match all the criteria, then congratulations, you are at a stage where it makes sense to start thinking about scaling. And that's probably why you are here, because you are already considering growing from a solo freelancer into an agency. In this course, we will focus specifically on building a remote agency. Why remote and not a physical office? Good question, and we will get into that later. So, what exactly are we going to learn in this course? We will cover why transitioning from freelancer to remote agency owner is worth it, how to plan your transition step by step, how to hire remote web developers, how to manage your remote team and overcome common challenges, and how to automate your remote web agency. This one is my favorite part. Now, who am I? If we haven't met, I am Faraz Ahmed, also known as Faraz the Web Guy. I have been freelancing on Upwork back when it was still called Odesk for the past 12 years. Upwork has featured me several times, from social media shoutouts to a TV commercial that aired in the US. I have also been teaching freelancing and web development for a while now. I have an Upwork guide where I have shared everything I have learned, and I have created a 25-hour Upwork course right here on this channel. Most of that content is in English though, so if you need something in English, definitely check out my Upwork guide. I worked solo for the first 8 years of my career, and then I shifted to a remote agency model. For the last 4 years, I've been working with a remote team, and it has been a fantastic experience. It helped me grow, it gave me more freedom, and now I want to share how it all worked out for me and how it can help you too. That's it for this video. Watch out for the next one coming next week, where we will talk about why transitioning from freelancer to remote agency owner is really worth it. Goodbye for now and have a great weekend.